Matthew Page Damon was born on October 8, 1970 in Boston, Massachusetts to Kent Damon, a stockbroker, realtor and tax preparer, and Nancy Carlson Page, an early childhood education professor at Lesley University. Matt has an older brother named Cale, who is now a sculptor. The family lived in Newton until his parents divorced in 1973 when Damon and his brother moved with his mother to Cambridge. He grew up in a stable community and was raised near actor Ben Affleck. Damon attended Cambridge Grange and Latin School and he performed in a number of theatre productions during his time there. He attended Harvard University as an English major. While in Harvard, he kept on skipping classes to pursue acting projects. It was until his film Geronimo, an American Legend, was expected to be a big success that he decided to drop out of university completely. Arriving in Hollywood, Matt managed to get his first break with a part in the romantic comedy Mystic Pizza. However, the film didn't do too well and his film career failed to take off. Not letting failure discourage him from acting, he went for another audition and managed to get a starring role in School Ties. He came to prominence in 1997 when he wrote and starred in Good Will Hunting alongside Ben Affleck, which won them the Academy and Golden Globe Award for Best Screenplay and earned Damon a nomination for the Academy Award for Best Actor. He continued to garner praise from critics for his roles as the eponymous character in Saving Private Ryan, the anti-hero in The Talented Mr. Ripley, a fallen angel in Dogma, an energy analyst in Syriana, and an Irish-American criminal in The Departed. Damon is also known for his starring roles as Jason Bourne in the Bourne franchise and as a conman in the Ocean's trilogy. Damon has received Emmy Award nomination for his portrayal of Scott Thorson in the biopic Behind the Candelabra and for producing the reality series Project Greenlight. Damon married longtime girlfriend, Argentine-born Luciana Bozan Barroso, in December 2005 in New York City Hall. They had met while he was filming Stuck on You in Miami, where she was working as a bartender. The couple has 3 daughters, Isabella, Gia, Stella. Damon also has a stepdaughter, Alexa, from Barroso's prior marriage. In 2007, Damon was named the sexiest man alive by People magazine. Matt is a big fan of the Boston Red Sox and he tries to attend their games whenever possible. He has also formed a great friendship with his Ocean's co-stars, George Clooney and Brad Pitt, whom he works on charity projects with.